Trying to decide between Shopify and Commentsold for your online business. Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually fits your goals. Shopify is the all-in-one e-commerce platform that powers hundreds of thousands of online stores. If you want full control over your brand, sell products on your own website, and grow your business beyond just social media, Shopify gives you everything you need: customizable themes, payment processing, marketing tools, inventory management, the whole package. It's great whether you're just starting out or scaling into a serious online brand. Commentsold, on the other hand, is built specifically for Facebook sellers. If you're running a small business and doing live sales or product drops in Facebook groups, Commentsold makes it super easy to take orders, manage payments, and keep track of customer info, all without leaving Facebook. It's perfect if you're already deep in the Facebook selling game and don't need a full online store. So which one is better? If you want to build your own brand, have a professional store, and reach customers across multiple channels, Shopify wins. But if you're already selling on Facebook and want a simple tool to streamline orders and payments without building a full website, Commentsold might be all you need. It's not about which is better overall. It's about what works best for your type of business and where you're selling right now. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.